Hello and welcome. I just got this package delivered from Tunza-eco generation, and that's from Korea. And the package was actually posted on April 19, and today is March 3, so that roughly took 15 days to arrive from Seoul to Chitwan. And hi, I am Sachin Regmi. I am 22nd Regional Ambassador for Eco Tunza Generation, and this is my postal address, Agriculture and Forestry University, Rampur, Chitwan. So this is the package. I am going to unbox it. So this seems to be the front end. Which one is the front end? It is the front end. So ready? So let's get into the mystery box. But I paid 178 rupees on the custom, and let's see what's inside this package. So what may be this? Oh, this is also sealed packed. We'll open it later. This is Eco Tunza Generation bag. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 Eco Tunza Generation bags. And what is this? This is my card, Sachin Regmi, Tunza-eco Generation. This is my mail and Facebook. It is sponsored by Samsung Engineering. And let's dig inside it. So these are rulers. Actually there are hundreds of these rulers, and these are 100 pencils. We will be delivering them to all the students across Nepal, where we will be organizing different campaigns. And this is the t-shirt, Tunza-eco Generation. And this is my banner for the program. Actually it is lengthy, so will not open it. Ruler, 100 pencils. This is my card, and these are 5 bags, and this is the t-shirt. And mentor Luis had told me that he had something for me as souvenir. This may be, we'll open it. What may be inside here? So, oh, this is memory card for me from Samsung Engineering. Let's see, let's open it. Oh, here is the clip, and this is the card. Thank you. There is nothing more here. So that's it. Thank you for being